Hi, I just want to give you a quick idea for how to get rid of the moisture inside the iPhone 7. The minor leaks. Mine leak, I think it came from the SIM slot, and the camera was very foggy, and here you could see the water inside. The phone was still working, so the first thing that I read on the internet is that to put the phone in the rice for 1 day, and that's exactly what I did, but it didn't help. So I didn't know what else to do, and the thing is that what I thought is the problem, because these phones are sealed, so the only thing is here is the excess of the fresh air. So the fresh is very hard to put the dry air inside here, inside where is the camera or where the leak is. So I think this was the major problem. I tried also with a fan, just to put the fan inside, didn't work that much as well. And then I bought this silica gel. They use it for usually you can buy it in the camera shops. It also works the same like a rice, but I think a little bit better. It's much stronger, takes all the moisture out. And so also I put this 1 day and also didn't work. So what I did then after, I was thinking like, how can you make the air circulate here inside, And what I did, I thought like if I heat up the phone, the air inside will expand and it will go out of the SIM slot, and then once it cools down it will go back inside. So I put the phone with the silica into the plastic bag that is sealed, like so we have only hands, and I seal it up like that, and then I heat it up with the fan. So the idea now is that the air will go out, I mean the hot air will expand inside the phone and go out of the SIM slot, and then it will get drier because here we have silica gel, and then once it cools down it will go back inside, and then gradually once you're repeating this procedure it will dry the air inside the phone more, and it will take all the moisture out. And it really did work for me so far. The picture now is great with the phone, before was foggy. So this is my advice, I hope it helps. But I had just a minor leak, not a major leak, so probably for the major leak it wouldn't work. I wouldn't suggest, but so okay, this is my idea. I hope it helps. Cheers, bye.